Okay, now play Sleeping Dogs.
Alright, I'm playing with Innocent Hurt. I don't care. Curbstone.
Michael, you can't hurt innocent people.
I will kill innocent people.
That's against the demon code.
What the heck?
You can't beat up a woman.
I don't. I'll beat up a man then.
You shouldn't be beating up anybody. Whoa, his blood got all over the wall. You killed him, Michael.
I did.
Why are you so violent?
Because I want to be.
Michael, violence is never the answer.
What if you're in a fight?
Still not. You shouldn't be in the fight because violence is never the answer.
Why not?
Come on, Tupac, take it to the streets.
What the heck?
Yeah.
These shirts. I couldn't afford any of them.
They're all Japanese. Everything you play is Asian.
What'd you say?
I said everything you play is Asian. First you played the Disgaea game, which was Asian.
This guy.
And now this game is Asian.
I'm taking a bath. I'm gonna like my bath.
Why does it have Asian in gaming? Why is it so good?
Because
Like
Mario's Asian.
No, he's Italian, but they make
Mario's
Mario.
made by Asian.
They make Pokemon. There is way too many
I need
Pokemon.
a better camera.
The amount of Pokemon is
Let me
too
see
dang
something.
high.
Let me see something for once.
No, you don't. Don't X out of the video.
Shut up. When I
Did
go
you
on
X?
Omegle, my camera is better. Do you like that, dude? How?
Whoa, that hooker got something.
Watch this. Where's my sandwich? Where's my sandwich?
I thought you were going to, like, whatever.
Reaper.
Yes.
Where's my sandwich? Where's my sandwich?
Of course. The one Asian guy in the entire world who knows
Give me my
what's
noodle
going on.
bowls. Oh, he just said the S word.
Michael, you said the R word.
What's that?
You know what the R word is.
No, I don't.
Rape.
Alright, I will. Yoda says, rape me if you will.
Yoda would not like that. I can't. Oh, you put that picture in my head.
Alright.
Do an unnecessary combo move. The lady just said she's going to get raped. Michael, the guy just watches you beat up the woman. Who just stands there.
Let's dance! Let's dance!
Oh, Michael. You're more messed up than I am.
Dave, you're pretty messed up.
Well, I messed up in a clean way.
Like how?
You're messed up in a dirty way.
How am I messed
If
up?
you went into my mind for 5 minutes, you'd be like, yo, dude, can't handle it.
You can kill him. Oh, I can't kill him.
Shock me like an electric bee.
Alright, did you drop this hatchet? Give me my mini. I need some fish dumpling skewer. Too much money, yo.
Do you have any money? Oh, of course you don't, because you won't do any missions because you're too busy killing everyone.
Excuse me, I just made $5,000 by opening this box. See, look at that, $5,000. 5 genies, yeah. Dude, touch the mouse.
What country is this? Is
It's Hong Kong.
that Japan or China?
I don't know.
She just tried to kill your girl. Whatever, I'm gonna pretend it's Japan because Japan's cooler than China. Why did you do that? Whoa, this is Assassin's Creed level stuff right here.
Get out of the way.
Chaos Control!
Leroy Jenkins.
Bruce Roda!
Damn it, I missed. Ouch.
Come on, World of Warcraft nerd, beat these people.
Oh, he did.
You just dumped that guy into a dumpster.
He went dumpster diving, David. I didn't do that. Fuck you, motherfucker. I'm gonna fuck you up.
Michael, this game has too much naughty language in it. I'm
What are you,
kidding.
Santa Claus?
Oh, that guy's not Slim Shady. Who's that guy thinking, saying he's Slim Shady? I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up. Please stand up. Eminem! Marshall Mathers!
I know.
I am Shady Paw. Yo. His birthday was on the 18th, you know.
It's like what, Halloween?
October. He's like 40. He's 40.
He's a little bit old to be rapping.
We don't want him to stop, though.
True.
Yes, kick him in the butt.
Stomp him in the nuts.
Stomp him in the nut. How'd you get to this? Unnecessary combo, Disgaea.
Alright, we're done. Let's do a...